Welcome to Go Lesson 22. Today we will learn about file I/O in Go. File operations are essential for any real-world application. Go provides simple yet powerful packages for file handling. We will cover reading files, writing files, line-by-line processing, and appending data. Let us start by reading files in Go. First, we look at our sample text file. Now we create a Go program to read this file. We import FMT for printing, IO for reading, and os for file operations. os.Open opens a file for reading. It returns a file handle and an error. Always check for errors when opening files. Defer file.close ensures the file is closed when the function exits. io.ReadAll reads the entire file content into a byte slice. We convert the byte slice to a string for display. os.Stat provides file metadata like name, size, and modification time. Let us review the complete code. The output shows the file contents and metadata. Now let us learn how to write files in Go. We create a new file using os.Create. os.Create creates a new file or truncates an existing one. Again, we defer file.close for proper cleanup. WriteString writes a string directly to the file. The underscore ignores the byte count returned. We can define multiple lines in a slice. A for loop writes each line to the file. os.ReadFile is a convenient way to read an entire file. Let us review the complete code. The program creates the file and shows its contents. We can also verify the output file was created. For large files, reading line by line is more efficient. First, let us see our data file with CSV-like content. Now we create a program using bufio.Scanner. Bufio provides buffered I/O operations. We create a scanner from the file handle. Scanner.scan advances to the next line, returning false when done. Scanner.text returns the current line as a string. Always check scanner.err after the loop for read errors. We can also scan by words, using split with ScanWords. Let us review the complete code. The output shows each line numbered and the total counts. Sometimes we need to add data to an existing file. os.OpenFile gives us more control with file flags. o_append positions writes at the end of the file. o_Create makes the file if it does not exist. o_Only opens the file for writing only. The 0644 is the file permission in octal. We format a timestamp for our log entry. fmt_sprintf creates formatted strings without printing. We can loop to add multiple log entries. Finally, we read back and display the log file. Let us review the complete code. The first run creates the log file with entries. Running again appends new entries to the existing log. Let us recap what we learned about file I/O in Go, os.Open, and io.ReadAll for reading entire files, os.Create and WriteString for creating and writing files, bufio.Scanner for efficient line-by-line or word-by-word processing, os.OpenFile with flags for appending and more control. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will work with JSON data.